What is the average lifespan of a pacemaker?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be diving into the world of medical technology to discuss a device that has transformed countless lives, the pacemaker. Specifically, we'll answer the question, what is the average lifespan of a pacemaker?
What is a pacemaker?
A pacemaker is a small device that's placed in the chest or abdomen to help control abnormal heart rhythms, or arrhythmias. This device uses electrical pulses to prompt the heart to beat at a normal rate. Now, having understood the role of a pacemaker, let's proceed to understand how long a pacemaker typically lasts.
Average lifespan of a pacemaker.
Pacemakers are powered by batteries. The lifespan of a pacemaker, therefore, primarily depends on the battery life. On average, the batteries in pacemakers typically last between 6 and 15 years, with most modern pacemakers leaning towards the upper end of this range. The exact lifespan depends on several factors, including the type of device, the frequency at which it's used, and the amount of energy each electrical pulse requires. It's important to note that pacemakers don't suddenly stop working when their battery life ends. Instead, they have an end-of-life period where the device still works but indicates that the battery will soon need to be replaced.
Maintaining your pacemaker.
While the pacemaker's battery doesn't require any specific maintenance from the patient, regular checkups with a healthcare provider are crucial to ensure that the device is working properly and to monitor battery life. Typically, these checkups are done every 3 to 6 months. During these appointments, doctors can identify if the battery is nearing the end of its life and plan for a replacement procedure. Importantly, replacing the pacemaker battery is a minor surgery compared to the original pacemaker implantation procedure, as the device itself doesn't need to be removed, only the battery is replaced. To conclude, while pacemakers play an essential role in maintaining a regular heart rhythm, they do require occasional monitoring and maintenance due to their average lifespan of 6 to 15 years. Regular checkups with your doctor are crucial to ensure the device is working optimally and to plan for any necessary battery replacements. So, if you or a loved one relies on a pacemaker, rest assured that with regular care and attention, this life-saving device can continue to function effectively for many years. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, stay healthy and informed.